Steve for an install in the next town, and it's like a traditional horse parade that they have once a year. Oh, the size of them. Steve, that's Traunstein Brauerei. That was it. Coming up to, and next door with the beautiful flowers is House Matzel. Yay! Come over all kind of like Heidi and The Sound of Music all of a sudden. Feel as though I should break out into song. Okay, so here we are, Ruhpolding Church. You remember that, Steve, won't you? And look at that beautiful view, just absolutely gorgeous. Try and stay on that a little bit. Yay! And then we go around here. We have got the... It's not gorillas in the mist, it's mountains in the mist. Hey. And then we have beautiful mountains. Oh yeah, we're going to wave. So turn around. Ha 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 ha. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. There's a wave from me. And let's just linger on that a little bit more. Whoa. Beautiful, as they say. Absolutely beautiful. And we've been lucky today because normally it's been quite overcast, but it seems to be clearing. So we'll carry on here, and then when I get to the cows, and I do mean cows, that's not a euphemism for something, I'll carry on recording. Woohoo. Okay, so here we are in the cow field. Just got to watch out. No, they don't come down here. This is a path that they put through, which is very nice. Not the cows, mind, you know, the farmers. And then the cows are kind of got the bells on. I guess that's because when they're let loose, even they're not dogs, they're cows. You know, when the farmer puts them up in the hills so he can find them again. Oh, look at that. Whoa, don't you just love it? Cool, I could retire here quite happily. Anyway, you've got Sylvia and Adi in front. And, hey Eva, how you doing? Thought I'd get the cows on especially for you. Hope you can hear the bells. And we are actually staying, our house is the second one, the first one there with like, there's more white wall. And we're in the second one that's got like the flowers hanging over the balcony. Absolutely beautiful. House Matzl, it's called, Matzl. Right, that's enough for cows today. All done. See you later. Bye.